How to fix the pre-auth PlayIntegrity Verification Failed in your ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The pre-auth PlayIntegrity Verification Failed error is on Android, usually meaning Google's PlayIntegrity API check failed. So this happens if your phone is uncertified in Play Store, rooted bootloader unlocked, or sometimes if Play services or Play Store data is corrupted. So here are some of the ways to fix it. First of all, check for the device certification. Head over to Play Store, tap on your profile from the top right corner. Head over to Settings and tap on About. Hereby, check for Play Protect certification. If your device is verified and certified, you're good to go. However, if it says not certified, ChatGPT won't pass the PlayIntegrity. Second solution would be clear the cache and data of Google services. To do so, head over to your home screen. And after, search for the applications Google Play Store. Once you are on the Play Store, long press the shortcut application. Then after, tap on the option of App Info. Then head over to Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. Repeat the same process for other applications such as Google Play Services and Google Play Games. Long press the application, go to App Info, tap on Storage and Cache, and clear the cache. Once you have cleared the cache and data of Google services, reboot your device once. Then head over to Google Play Store. Once you head over to Google Play Store, get back to the main page and tap on Search. Now type in ChatGPT and tap on Install. This will take few seconds to minutes depending upon your internet connection. Once the download is completed, it should automatically install. Then after, tap on Open button and your ChatGPT will open without the error code. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.